Hey, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are
BOSH.
Today we're making a gorgeous, delicious, hearty Scottish soup.
It's going to wibble your wobble and warm your cockles. It's gonna be yummo!
But it's also healthy as, so you can get your guns and you can eat it when you go to the gym because it's packed with lentils. It's got kale, spinach, flavoured with garlic, flavoured with rosemary, thyme. So much goodness in there.
Let's do this.
So this is a Scottish soup. It's hearty, it's got all those lovely root veg, they're seasonal, they're going to be available for quite a chunky part of the year, autumn, winter. You could probably get a bit of it in summer later on if you like.
Now obviously Scotland in the winter months can be quite chilly, so this dish will definitely be the sort of thing that you want to eat on quite a cold autumnal evening.
We've also added chilli because we like to make things hot, just a little touch, as well as some lemon to bring everything together.
Now we've sort of dipped our toe into Scottish cooking quite a bit. In our second book, Bish Bash Bosh, we were inspired to make wonderful Empire biscuits because we saw them in Glasgow on a book tour. They were so good.
They went down a treat, and also our visit to Scotland went down a treat. We love travelling up there, so if you're Scottish and watching this, we love you, we want to come back.
Okay, then you're an amazing bunch, so you are.
And I apologise for that. That may not make the edit.
Sorry.
Anyway, so there we have it. That is an absolutely gorgeous, delicious Scottish soup. Really easy, packed with vitamins, packed with deliciousness, super healthy.
I'm gonna have another spoonful right this second.
Let's taste this. How does it taste? It looks incredible.
It looks really nice and creamy. It's obviously healthy. It smells amazing. There's loads of green running through it. Let's go.
The rosemary and thyme work perfectly. They're like brother and sister. They just always work in a dish.
But sometimes brother and sisters swabble, so they're like ones that get along well.
They get along well in this dish.
So if you liked this dish, which we hope you did, you should subscribe to our channel because we're going to be filling your feed full of wonderful food forevermore.
We've been travelling a lot, but we're really hyped to be back in the kitchen. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. What did you think about this dish? Before we forget, this is our new book, How to Live Vegan.
There's some really shocking facts in there, but there's also some really good ways to live your life. You should grab a copy of this book.
It's the how, it's the why, it's perfect for you or your family. If they're asking you, why did you go vegan? Then this book will give them the answer.
Bish
Bash,
Bosh.
Bosh!